It's not uncommon to see a fuel pump go 100,000, even 150,000 miles. So what kills that original fuel pump? Chances are it's debris that makes its way into the tank. It could be from the fuel door, the fuel cap, even the pipe that delivers fuel into the side of the tank. All of these can be sources of contamination. So where does that contamination go? Well, chances are it's being picked up by the fuel pump, either the sock or the pickup. This becomes clogged with debris. And when they become clogged with debris, that pump has to work even harder to deliver the correct amount of volume and pressure to the fuel rail. So what are you to do to return that vehicle to like new condition so the replacement pump that you're probably warranting can last another 100,000 miles? Well, you need to clean the tank. So what's the right way to clean the tank? Well, there are a lot of homespun remedies to do this, but this is a kit designed to clean a fuel tank. A fuel tank that can be as large as 40 gallons. So how do you get started? Well, first of all, do not remove the fuel pump. Make sure that you clean the outside of the tank, including the area around the ring and on top, because if you don't, well, that debris is going to find its way back into the tank once you start cleaning. Look at the internal condition of the pump before you start pouring in the chemicals and 2 gallons of water to remove some of the gunk that could be at the bottom of the tank. Also, another suggestion, make sure that when you pull the fuel out of the tank, if you intend to reuse it, chances are your customer is going to come in with a full tank of gas. Make sure you're filtering that fuel before you put it back in the tank. With this kit, it's possible to create a nice, fresh environment for the new fuel pump so it can last a very, very long time. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.